Hello, glad you could join me. On this second episode of my RENPY Let's Code series, I'm actually going to be showing you one more way of customizing the choice menu. But before I get into that, a big thank you to all of my supporters across all platforms. Your help and support is greatly appreciated. So let's just run through what we have on the screen at the moment, just as a quick reminder. We have two choice menus. Choice menu 1 has each option visible, and you can select any option in any order. Choice menu 2 has 3 options, but they are based on the variables. If O1 is equal to false and strength is greater than or equal to 10, then option 1 shows up. What we can have is that instead of the option being visible or not visible based on the variables, we can actually have it that it's grayed out. So it's still visible, but you wouldn't be able to select it. This is a good way of showing a player that there are other options or other paths, and that sometimes their decisions can affect the story in different ways. And it's very easy to do. All we need is add a couple of defines. So they are define config.menu underscore include underscore disabled is equal to true, and define GUI.choice button underscore text underscore insensitive underscore color equals, and you can use any color you want, but that's a grey color. It should be a text, it's a string. Let's just check I have spelt this all correctly. Yep. So what do these defines actually do? Well, the first one sets up that include disabled is actually true. What this means is disabled options will show up. And the second define changes the color of the insensitive text button, in this case to grey. So Control S to save, and let's launch the project. If we click start, now let's have a look and see what our strength is at the moment. So it's at 0 at the moment, so we'll keep it there. And if we click continue, you can see option 1 and option 3 are greyed out and cannot be selected. Option 2 can be selected, because if we look back at our code, option 2 was strength is less than or equal to 9, and we had 0 strength. So we go back to our code and select option 2. This is option 2. We now get option 1 and option 2 greyed out, and option 3 is visible. This could be useful for conversation choices where you want to show the player that they've already selected a conversation choice, or perhaps where they've missed out on a conversation choice. With that, that's all I have. I hope you found this useful, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.